If you are looking for a simple and easy chicken curry recipe to prepare a quick dinner, then here it is for you. The easiest chicken curry recipe which you will not be disappointed by its fresh taste. Also, beauty of this recipe is that you can adjust the spices to your taste and still the final outcome will be equally delicious. For this chicken curry recipe, we need some basic ingredients. First, with the whole spices. Here I have used 3-4 small cardamoms, 1 big cardamom and 1-inch cinnamon stick. We are also using turmeric half a tablespoon, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, Kashmiri red chili powder 1 teaspoon, garam masala powder 1 teaspoon, salt as per taste, or you can use 1 teaspoon. Here is all the spices, dry ingredients that you need to make this yummy Indian chicken curry. We also need ginger garlic paste around 1 tablespoon. One green chili and a fresh twig of coriander leaves. Both we need to chop it. We have used 1 big onion, finely chopped, 1 big tomato, finely chopped, we have used chicken around 500 grams. These are bone-in chicken. You can use boneless as in this chicken curry recipe. I am using bone-in chicken, but you can use boneless chicken as well. But I personally feel that bone-in chicken lends the meat a very richer flavor as compared to boneless chicken. Once oil is hot, we'll add the whole spices and saute it for a minute. Now we'll add ginger garlic paste and fry it till the raw smell disappears completely, and this step is very important. It is time to add chopped onion and fry until onion turns golden. We'll slowly mix everything and cook it well so that onion can turn into golden color. We should be having some patience here and cook it in low to medium flame. Now it's time to add green chili. If you want more heat, you can use more chilies here. While the mixture is getting cooked, we'll prepare a masala paste. And here we are using turmeric powder, red chili powder, cumin and coriander powder with some water. And we will mix it thoroughly so that there is no lump. Adding water here will prevent the masala mix to prevent it from getting it burned. At the same time, it will cook evenly. We will add the masala mix to the pan and we'll fry it for 3 to 4 minutes. We'll gently mix everything together and we'll keep on stirring it occasionally. Till now the flame is in low to medium flame, and now we'll add chopped tomato. We have carefully chosen some bright red tomatoes here because this color gives the final color of the curry. If you use the greenish or the pale yellow tomatoes, the curry color will be little bit lighter in shade. It will not be that bright. We'll cook everything together until the mixture leaves side of the pan and the raw smell of the tomato disappears. Once again, we will gently and with patience we'll mix everything together and stir occasionally. We'll add salt here. We can adjust the salt amount later on as well, but at this point after adding tomatoes we have added salt so that the tomato releases its water and the entire spice mix gets cooked well in that water. Cooking of the spices well enhances the curry flavor significantly. We will cover for 5 minutes, and after uncovering we will mix it again. If you feel that the spice mix are getting a bit dry, you can use few spoons of water. And here I have used the water to make the gravy a bit more creamy, and it will allow everything to mix well with each other. It is time to check if the oil is appearing at the side of the pan, and here I can see it is already in that stage. And now it is time to add the chicken pieces. These chickens are without any kind of marination, just washed thoroughly. And now we will add the chicken pieces well with the masala. Each chicken pieces will be coated well with the masala. Once again, slow cooking is the key, so we have kept the flame in low to medium flame. As there is very minimal water right now, so we have to be careful that masala doesn't get burned at the bottom of the pan. We'll mix everything together well and we'll cover it. After 5 minutes of covered cooking, we'll see that the chicken already released lots of water, and it will be cooked in this water. We'll gently mix everything together, and we can see chicken is already 80% cooked. Chickens are coming out from the bone, which means it is getting cooked properly, and aroma is really awesome. At this point we will add 1 cup of water. Here I have used normal water. If you want, you can use hot water as well. We'll cover and cook for another 5 minutes. And chicken is almost done. We'll just give it a good mix and cook it finally for 1 or 2 minutes. Now we will add garam masala powder. I have used store-bought garam masala powder, but if you want, you can use homemade garam masala powder as well. As this recipe I have dedicated to bachelors and the beginners, so I have tried to use the ingredients which are readily available in the market. We will now sprinkle some freshly chopped coriander leaves, and that will double the flavor that is already the curry is imparting. It is time to pour the chicken curry to a bowl, and the yummy chicken curry is now ready to be served. You can pair it up with a plate of hot steamy rice, pulao, chapati or paratha. Choice is endless. Enjoy your Indian chicken curry, and thanks for watching this recipe.